morning, students. I hope you all are in well-being. Welcome back to your grammar class with a new topic, chapter 14, Simple Future Tense. Simple future tense is used to refer to those actions that will happen in the future. स्टूडेंट सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस को हम यूज़ करते हैं उन एक्शंस के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, उन इवेंट्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो कि अभी फ्यूचर में होने वाले हैं. देयर आर टू पैटर्न्स इन मेकिंग अ सेंटेंस इन सिंपल फ्यूचर. दो तरह के पैटर्न को हम फॉलो करते हैं किसी भी सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन में, विल एंड बी गोइंग टू. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद बी. इन मेकिंग अ पॉजिटिव सिंपल फ्यूचर स्टेटमेंट यूजिंग विल, द पैटर्न विल बी सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल और शेल प्लस वर्ब इन बेस फॉर्म. सबसे पहले हमारा आएगा सब्जेक्ट, देन विल और शेल, then verb की first form. Okay, look at the examples here. You will buy new shoes. They will attend class tomorrow. Here you and they are subject and we use will there, and buy and attend are verbs in base form. Okay, now in negative sentences the sentence structure will be, we will add not with will. Okay, then subject plus will not plus verb in base form. Students, we can use here want in place of will not. Okay, you won't buy new shoes. They won't attend class tomorrow. Or we can say this like this: you will not buy new shoes. They will not attend class tomorrow. Next is question statements. विल प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब इन बेस फॉर्म. हम विल की या शेल की प्लेस को चेंज कर देते हैं, हम इनको इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं विल और सब्जेक्ट को. विल बी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, okay, then subject, then verb in base form. For example, will you buy new shoes? Will they attend class tomorrow? Now next pattern is be going to. If we use be going to, then the sentence structure will be subject plus am is are plus going to plus verb in base form. Okay, for example, she is going to visit her brother in Canada, or I am going to call her. Next is in negative sentences, we have to add just not there. Okay, subject plus am is are not going to plus verb in base form. For example, she is not going to visit her brother in Canada, or I am not going to call her. Next is question sentences. Am is are will come first, will come at the first place in the sentence structure. Then subject, then going to, then verb in base form. For example, is she going to visit her brother in Canada? Am I going to call her? Now, WH type questions. You know better WH type questions. What, when, where. Okay, then the sentence structure will be WH word plus will or shall plus subject plus verb in base form plus other words if any. Then at the end of the sentence, question mark. Okay, for example, where shall I go next week? What are you doing this Monday? Okay, now interrogative negative sentences. The sentence should be in negative form as well as in interrogative form. Then the sentence structure will be will or shall plus subject plus not plus verbs base form, then other words and question mark. For example, shall I not call you? Shall at the first place now, and we add not here also with subject. So it's a complete interrogative negative sentence. Next tense is future progressive tense. Future progressive tense को हम future continuous भी बोलते हैं. There are two patterns in making a future progressive tense statement. इसमें हम use करेंगे as it is subject plus will plus be, okay, plus verb in present participle, plus if you have any other word, or you can make it like this: subject plus be going to plus be plus verb in present participle. Now where we use it, let's see its uses. It can be used for those actions that will be happening at a certain time in the future. हम एक certain time पे future पे अगर किसी काम को हम देख रहे हैं कि वो होने वाला है, उन actions को describe करने के लिए हम future continuous tense को use करते हैं. If we use will pattern, then the sentence will be I will be sleeping at 10 p.m. And if we are going with be going to, then I am going to be sleeping at 10 p.m. and so on. Next, we can use it to refer to actions which will be interrupted by another action in the future. कि एक action हो रहा है और at the same time किसी दूसरे action से वो action interrupt हो रहा है, disturb हो रहा है. Okay, then we will use this. Mom will be resting when I arrive later. Or mom is going to be resting when I arrive later. It will be raining when we leave. Or it is going to be raining when we leave. Next is the actions that will be happening at the same time in the future. Like I will be doing my homework while my brother will be practicing piano. दो action simultaneously हो रहे हैं. Okay. I am going to be doing my homework while my brother is going to be practicing piano. Next is, if we talk about negative sentences, then the sentence structure will be subject plus will not plus be plus verb in present participle, or subject plus am is are not plus going to plus be plus verb in present participle. For example, Skinny will not be barking noisily when we arrive, or Skinny is not going to be barking noisily when we arrive, and so on. In question sentences, the sentence structure will be will plus subject plus be plus verb in present participle. For example, will Skinny be barking noisily when we arrive, or will he be graduating next year? Okay, student, if we use is MR pattern, then the sentence structure will be same. Only am is are will be placed on the place of will or shall. Okay. For example, is Skinny going to be barking noisily when we arrive? Is he going to be graduating next year? Next is WH type questions. The sentence structure will be WH word plus will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus other words. For example, what will she be doing in this project? What be है at the first place, then will, then subject. Next is interrogative negative sentences. The sentence structure will be will or shall plus subject plus not plus be. We have to add not here. Plus verb first form plus ing plus other words. For example, shall I not be donating money to the charity? Okay, students, it's all about your chapter. We have discussed two tenses. Okay, simple future tense and future continuous tense. Look at the part A for practice. Answer the following questions in simple future with the help of the given subject. Okay, the first one is, how will you reach home? A taxi or rickshaw? I will reach home either by a taxi or rickshaw. Who will be there to receive you? My uncle or aunt? My uncle or aunt will be there to receive me. In part C, you have to change into interrogative sentences. I shall come to see you tomorrow. Shall I come to see you tomorrow? We shall accompany you during your journey. Shall we accompany you during your journey? In part E, you have to change into interrogative negative form. I shall play cricket in the stadium. Shan't I play cricket in the stadium? We shall come here in the evening. Shan't we come here in the evening? In part F, fill in the blanks with using future continuous tense. I dash wait for you. I shall be waiting for you. Our exams dash start next month. Our exams will be starting next month. In part G, you have to fill ups with future continuous tense of verb given in the bracket. Okay. She dash her household chores tomorrow. Okay. She will be doing. She won't be doing her household chores tomorrow. The children dash in the match. The children will be practicing in the match. The children will not be or won't be participating in the match. In part J, you have to change the following sentences into interrogative negative. We shall be fishing this Sunday. Shan't we be fishing this Sunday? Robin will be watering the plants when we are away. Won't Robin be watering the plants when we are away? Okay, students, it's homework time. I hope you get it very clearly. Do your own remaining parts of part A, C, E, F, G, J on page numbers 111, 113, 115, 116, 117 and 120 in your grammar book. Thank you. Have a great day.